Right here in this video, I will show you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And in this video, I will not be taking much of your time. I'll just go straight to the point so that you can be able to get this particular no deposit bonus and start trading with it. All right. So if you watch this video carefully to the very end, you'll be able to get $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And not only that, you also know how you can start trading with it and also how you can withdraw from it. All right. So make sure you sit back and you watch this video to the very end. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please take out a few minutes of your time to do that right now so that you can keep getting videos from me and so that you can know how you can make money online in 2025. Right. And if you have done that, thank you so very much for motivating me and telling me to keep on doing what I'm doing. All right. So before I proceed, drop a comment in the comment section of the name of the country where you're watching from and the kind of video you want me to do next, so that I can do them for you. All right. So without any further ado, let's dive into how you can get this particular $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. So to get this particular account, check the description menu. You find the link there, click on the link and it is going to direct you to my Telegram channel. And when you get to my Telegram channel, you find the link that says get your free bonus right here. So when you click on the link, it is going to direct you to where you have to download an app, because you are going to use an app to get this particular bonus. Right. So if you don't watch this video carefully, you will not be able to get this particular bonus. So make sure you take out your time to watch the video carefully. All right. I will not be entertaining any question in my DM. If you have any question, just go straight to my Telegram discussion group. Right. When you get there, you find people that will be happy to assist you with anything you need. And if you have anything you can use to assist someone as well by answering their question, then you can also do that. Right. So when you get to the Play Store or Apple Store, this is exactly what it's going to look like. All right. So the next thing for you to do is just to download the app. And when you download the app, then you open the app. As you can see, I'm currently downloading mine right now. I just have to wait for some time for it to install. And after opening the app, then this is what their apps look like right here. Now if you watch this video carefully, like I said, I will show you how you can get this particular account. So the first thing to do right now is to create an account with them, which is by registering. All right. So you just click on I do not have an account. So when you click on it, then right here you have to input your details. You know, to input your full name, your phone number, email address, and DD Max program reward. And if you have a referral ID, then you input it right here, and then you agree to this time and you click on register. Right. So I'm going to do mine right now and I will get back to the video. So right here, when creating an account with them, when you get this DD Max program reward, what you are going to be selecting is the not join the program. All right. Select the not join the program. Don't do any mistake. And if you have any referral code, then you can input the referral code right here. But if you don't have, then you can proceed to registering an account with them. All right. So right here, you have to select the USD, and after doing all of this, then you proceed to clicking on register. And after clicking on register, you wait for it to load. All right. And as you can see right here, this is my details which I'll be using to log in on the platform. All right. So you have to keep your details safe. All right. As you can see, I've blocked mine out. So the password and the email is what you'll be using to log into the platform. All right. So I just screenshotted mine right now, and I'll just click on the login button to proceed to logging in. So I'll input my email address right here and also my password, and then I'll click on the remember button, then I'll click on the sign in. All right. Now we are getting to the next step, which is getting the bonus. Right. I want you to watch carefully so that you won't miss out on this. All right. So after signing into the platform, this is it right here, and as you can see, something is showing right here, but it has not showed fully. As you can see right here, this is the $100 no deposit bonus, which is the welcome bonus. Right. So if you click on the detail right here, you can get more detail about it. All right. But first, just click on the get bonus. All right. So as you can see, do you want to open a new MT5 with bonus? Then you click on the confirm button and you wait patiently for it to load. They are going to open an account with you. As you can see right here, this is the account showing on the screen. All right. So we have the MetaTrader ID and the trading password for our MT5 to start trading, and this is their server name showing down here. All right. So I'll just show you how you can log into MT5 so that you can be able to start trading with your bonus, and so that you can be able to withdraw from it. So what you have to do is to copy the trader ID and your trading password and head over to your MT5 app. All right. So this is me in my MT5 app. All I have to do right now is to click on the settings right here, because I'm using a high US device, and then I'll click on this account right here, and then I'll click on the plus button and I'll search for the broker name, which is TD Max. Right, I'll search for it, and after searching for it, then the server name is live, not a demo account. We are working with a live account, and I'll put my login ID and also my password, and then I'll click on the sign in button. All right, so after inputting it, as you can see right here, my $100 just got into my account and I can start trading with it. All right, so I can start trading with this particular account. So I just got mine right now, and you can also get yours. Right, you can trade any pair on this particular no deposit bonus, and when you trade with it and you meet with the requirements, you can be able to withdraw from it. All right, so as you can see right here, for you to be able to withdraw, you have to verify your account first, as it's showing on the screen. To verify account and enable withdrawals, to verify, you can check the verification method. The KYC verification, you can see you need your ID. Right, so when you verify your account, then you meet with the requirement, then you can be able to withdraw from the platform. All right, so this is about this particular no deposit bonus, and if you want, I'll be making a detailed video about it later. All right, I'll be making a detailed video about it later on the terms and condition, how you can pass the terms and condition, and how you can withdraw from it. All right, I have gotten mine in this video, which shows that you can also get yours. All right, so I will see you in my next video. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.